Tutorial for Song by Dmitri Kabalevsky. This is part of 24 Pieces for Children, Opus 39. Number 8 is in D minor. And I look here and I see one flat. We know that that gives us a clue to the key signature. It could either be in F major or D minor. Now it's in F major because the scale of F has one flat. And it would sound like this. Now another clue to find out if it's in that key is to listen to the piece, of course. But there are some other clues like the starting note and the ending note. The ending note tends to end on the resting tone, so it should end on an F. But let's hear this piece. So far it sounds pretty minor to me. What just happened here? Did Kabalevsky change the key? Back to, oh, there's that minor sound. Oh, shocker! And he ends with a D. And so my sleuthing says that it's in D minor. And I know a D minor scale would be, and so the chords would be a D minor chord, an E diminished chord, I don't see here anything in there. Oh, an F major chord, a G minor chord, possibly, and a B flat chord, and a C chord, oh, and a D minor chord. So that's the coloration. And in the first line, it seems like he's playing with that. He starts with D minor. He even gives you a D minor chord. Then he goes to that B flat. Sounds like a 4 chord, and he's back. Now he shocks us. He moves down to the C chord. Remember how we said that was the 7 chord? Sounds really odd, not what we normally hear. And then he does something cool. He's saying, well, maybe I'm not in D minor. I'm going to add the B natural. And so maybe now he's in Dorian, which is a mode. Cool. Kabalevsky can be very surprising. He ends, though, in the D. In our head. Let's do some technicals. We know we're in the key of D minor. Oh, and by the way, whatever the right hand plays, the left hand's going to play it. So, la, ti, do, re, mi, do, la, fa, mi, re, mi, do, la. Re, do, ti, la, so, ti, re, ti, mi, re, mi. La, ti, do, re, mi, do, la. What's after me? Fa. Fi, mi, re, mi, do, la. Do, ti, me, re, mi, ti, re, mi, do, ti, la, la. Ooh, isn't that neat? So we put our hand in D minor. Then he shifts. Then, now the surprise. Okay, have fun learning this piece. It's intriguing on the ears.